Question 1. In which cycle phage produce progeny by using host cell machinery and burst out of the cell? Answer: lytic cycle. Question 2. What are the steps of lytic life cycle? Answer: attachment, penetration, synthesis, assembly and release. Question 3. In which cycle phage genome integrates into host genome and do not kill host cell? Answer: lysogenic cycle. Question 4. The genetic material of phage is inserted into host cell of DNA is called answer prophage. Question 5. The switch from lysogenic cycle to lytic cycle is called answer lysogenic induction. Question 6. In lambda bacteriophage, attachment site of bacteria and phage is called answer. The attachment site of bacteria is called at B and the attachment site of phage is called at P. Question 7. Which gene contain lambda DNA? Answer: C1, C2, C3 and CRO gene. Question 8. Which promoter contain lambda DNA? Answer: PR, PL, PRM. PR stand for rightward promoter, PL stand for leftward promoter and PR stand for promoter for response maintenance. Question 9. Which gene transcribed by PRM promoter? Answer: C1 gene. Question 10. Constitutively expressing promoter. Answer: PR and PL are constitutively expressing promoter. Question 11. Which promoter is weak expressing promoter? Answer: PRM. Question 12. In which promoter RNA polymerase bind and transcription occur without activator? PR and PL promoter and PRM promoter require activator for transcription. Question 30. In which condition lytic cycle occur? Answer: PR and PL switch on and PRM switch off. This condition required for lytic cycle. Question 40. In which condition lysogenic cycle occur? PR and PL switch off and PRM switch on. Question 50. Which regulatory protein contain lambda bacteriophage? Answer: lambda repressor and CRO protein are regulatory protein which contain lambda bacteriophage. Question 16. The lambda repressor is encoded by which gene? Answer: C1 gene. Question 17. How many domain lambda repressor contain? Answer: amino terminal domain and carboxy terminal domain. Question 18. In lambda repressor, flexible linker region present in answer between amino terminal domain and carboxy terminal domain. 19. DNA binding region in lambda repressor is a answer amino terminal region is the region where DNA binding occurs. 20. Which regulatory protein act as a repressor and activator? Answer: lambda regulatory protein is act as a repressor and activator. 21. CRO stand for answer control for repression. 22. Order of affinity for lambda repressor binding to operator. Answer: OR1 greater than OR2 and OR3. OR stand for operator present in right side. Question 23. Order of affinity for CRO protein binding to operator. Answer: OR3 greater than OR2 and OR1. Question 24. Which protein is responsible for dissociation of lambda repressor from operator? Answer: Reg A protein is responsible for dissociation of lambda repressor from operator. Question 25. Which gene transcribed by PR promoter? Answer: C2 gene are transcribed by PR promoter. 26. Which gene transcribed by PL promoter? Answer: C3 gene transcribed by PL promoter. 27. Which gene acts as a transcription activator gene? Answer: C2 gene acts as a transcription activator which activates C1 gene. 28. The number of phage particles infecting a bacterial cell within population is called Answer multiplicity of infection. 29. Which protease is degrade the C2 gene? Answer FTSH protease degrade the C2 gene. 30. Which protein are anti-terminators protein? N and Q proteins are anti-terminator proteins. 31. The specific recognized sequence for N-terminal and anti-terminal known as answer not site and utilization site. 32. Q protein recognize answer Q binding element. 33. Which gene of lambda phage are transcribed by host RNA polymerase? N and Q gene are transcribed by host RNA polymerase.